If you've lost access to your Sentry account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Sentry login page. Go to the official Sentry website and click on the login option. Look for the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Sentry account. Make sure it is the correct email you used when you created your account, as this will be crucial for receiving recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Once you've successfully reset your password, return to the Sentry login page and enter your email and new password. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Sentry's customer support for further assistance.